today I'm having a day off, and what I'm doing when I don't have a job, no photo for a business, well, I'm looking for old furniture like this. Look at this sofa, and I'm refurbishing it. I'm only joking. When I'm not doing photos for business, I'm doing photo for a hobby. Going to invite a girl, model, really nice model. She's gonna put some makeup and we're gonna get creative. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play with some lights and see what I can do in a small space. No studio, no problem. I'm gonna fix one of the bedrooms in a hostel to do some creative shots. So I had an idea, light going through the holes. I have some cartons here. I already started doing some holes. Unfortunately, the light did not go through the cardboard how I wanted, so I'm gonna find another solution. And look, I'm really lucky. Look what I found.
Yeah! Hi there, nice to meet you. Yes, you right there, I see you. Call me Davis, no, not famous, but don't sleep, I creep on playlists. This rhyme scheme perfect for Matrix. Now I can rhyme that with agent.
The lens I'm gonna use the most today is gonna be 60mm, but it's changing the shape of the face, so I'm gonna be using also 24-70. And this bad boy, Canon R5. Strobos, ring light. Everybody knows what is ring light. For medium-size softbox.
Got a little girl in the backseat. That's God's gift to the world. If you ask me, that's my gift to the world. If you ask me, got my girl and she got my world in the backseat. Time is money, spend that like a man cheap. Run this race like Bolt at the track me. Run this track like you saying. I won't stop to hear what you say. Say I'm too high, like two flames on two wicks. This too strange. I'm too lit.
I hear shots. Okay, ma'am, calm down. What kind of shots?
Shed so many tears that my tear dots turn red. Now that hema glowing, flowing, keeping vampires fed. They wanted to jam me in, lock me up and throw away the key. A pack of hyenas, he laughing at me. They took many shortcuts by backstabbing me. If I don't get out they grip, then these vultures won't dip. I ain't afraid to die and fly off to the sky, but I got more life to live, so today I'm gonna try to strive, not to hide behind my fears, hide behind the years, and hide behind these tears. Lord, please take away